people. Welcome back. So today I'm going to make some pumpkin dumpling in coconut milk and boiled corn. Yes. And I'm gonna make some brown stew fish. Jamaican style. Here we go. Whop, 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 whop. We're ready. So I already have my corn boiling. I already have it boiling. Look, it's just boiling in pure water. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a coconut milk and let the coconut milk get to boil in that corn. And then I'm gonna make my dough. And then I'm gonna just keep adding my stuff. That's what I'm about to do. Keep adding my stuff until it comes to perfection, okay? So here we go. So yes, my people, so now I'm gonna add 1 can of coconut milk to my corn. 1 can of coconut milk. Okay. One can of coconut milk and a little water. Over here I have my fish. I already fried my fish. I already fried them. So I'm gonna be seasoning up my fish in a little bit. But before that, I'm gonna make my dough. And I'm gonna put a little pumpkin. So we got it all set. So I'm making pumpkin coconut dumpling. I'm putting half of my pumpkin into my corn. I'm cutting it up small so it can all melt out. It can mush out. So adding my pumpkin to my coconut milk. So yes, my people, so now I'm going to be making pumpkin dumpling. I have my grater here. I'm going to go ahead and start to grate on my pumpkin. Be careful while using the grater because the pumpkin, you can slip and you can get cut from it. So be careful. You can blend the pumpkin as well if you want. You can blend the pumpkin. It's more safer, but I'm doing it the old school way. So that is it for my pumpkin. All right. Now, in my pumpkin, I'm gonna add some flour. I use all-purpose flour because that's all I got. All-purpose. It's good. I use my wooden spoon to mix it up before I even touch it. So I'm gonna mix the flour with my pumpkin. I'm going. It's time to add my salt. For this is like 1 pound of flour and pumpkin together. So I'm gonna add a quarter teaspoon of salt, or I would say a pinch of salt, not a lot. Okay, you don't want your dough to be salty. So I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt. That's enough. And I'm gonna mix it up again. I'm gonna use coconut milk. I'm not blending any coconut today. I'm using coconut milk. Coconut milk to mix the dough. I use a little bit of coconut milk at a time. I'm not gonna make my dough get too soft, too soggy. So I'm adding it accordingly. This is my dough. You can see the pumpkin in it. Look at it. You can see the pumpkin. So this is my dough. It's ready to make my dumpling. So yes, my people, so now my dough is ready. I'm about to make my dumpling. I always just take a little bite. Just a little bite. Like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. So I always just pinch up my dough like that. And then I'm going to just roll and press it and drop it right into the pot. Roll and press. Here with my corn and my coconut milk and my pumpkin. My pumpkin is already mashed out. It's already gone down. So now I'm making my dough. I'm making my dumpling. This is my dumpling. This is my dumpling. You can just roll it like this and press it. That's it. That's it. We call this roll and press. You roll it like this and then you press. That's it. We call this roll and press. Just roll it like this in your hand, in the palm of your hand, and then you press. Roll and press. Dumpling already made. So we can make our dumpling, our bitter, we make some spinners. So this is how you make the spinners. Just pinch a little piece and just do that. Spinners. This is how you make the spinners, like that. Just like that. So yes, my people, so I'm going to just use one cocoa with my dumpling and my corn. And I have 2 potatoes. Two potatoes. Yes, my people, so I'm cutting up some spinach because I'm going to put some spinach in my pumpkin dumpling. I'm just cutting up some spinach. And also I'm going to use some onion. And I'm going to use hot pepper. Also, I'm using some scallion. So I'm using some garlic. So this is my dumpling. I'm adding all my seasoning what I just cut up in here. All of it. Onion and scallion and garlic. Onion, scallion and garlic. This is spinach. This is spinach. Salt. Just 1 teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon. Yes, my people, and I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning for taste, a little bit of total seasoning. So yes, my people, so now I'm gonna do some scovitch fish, or you call it brown stew fish, whatever you wanna call it. I'm putting a little avocado oil. I already fried my fish already, so I'm using a little avocado oil. And I'm gonna put my garlic and my habanero. So I'm gonna crush my garlic. I always like to crush my garlic for my fish. I'm adding my habanero. And also I'm adding my carrot. I shred my carrot. I'm adding just a little buttermilk, just a little buttermilk, because I don't want it too thick. All right, there you go. And then I'm gonna add water. And also I'm gonna add my okra. Here's my okra. I already cut them. So I'm gonna add my okra and then I'm gonna add a little water. The water is to make sure my okra is cooked. You can use coconut milk, but I already use coconut milk over here. So I already fried my fish. So I'm just gonna put it into this nice thick gravy. I'm gonna add a little total seasoning, just a little total seasoning, sprinkling. Just a sprinkle, just sprinkling. And also a little bit of garlic powder. Just a little water. Here we go with the favorite, tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup. Here we go. Here we go with the tomato ketchup, Jamaican style. The tomato ketchup. I know a lot of you never remember the tomato ketchup. Come on, people. My people, come on. Come on, let's do it. Then I'm gonna cover him down with on a low steam for 3 minutes, and by 3 minutes the okra will be cooked and it's done. Stay tuned. So yes, my people, so my fish is ready. Look at it. My fish is ready. I'm just gonna leave it there so it can cool down a little bit and the flavor can get into the fish. So turn off my stove and I'm gonna just leave it. So yes, my people, so I'm trying out my food. This my fish, this my dumpling, my coconut dumpling, pumpkin, and this is my cocoa and my corn. This thing is delicious. You need to try this recipe. I don't think you have to try to know how tasty this is. The dumpling is so mild and nice. It's like butter. It's so mild and nice. And this is the cocoa. Mmm. This is the fish. Tell a friend to tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. If you like what I'm doing, leave a comment below. The recipe is gonna be in the comment section in my DM. So tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna enjoy this delicious meal. So thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.